I am here in a city that looks a little bit like a European city, but it's a recreation here in Guangzhou, China. And yeah, you can see they are still building the cathedral there in the background. But they already have done something here with the side streets and signs that are preparing for Christmas. There's a Christmas tree behind the cathedral. You maybe see it when I zoom in a little bit there. They prepared this already, and we have a very nice water down below here as well. So you can see families gathering here, shops everywhere. On the other side of the canal here, or this little river, are some apartments and houses that you can live in actually, where this here is basically for shopping and tourist attraction. Mainly Chinese tourists, of course, attracting those that maybe want to have a bit of a European flair, that cannot travel to Europe, fear language barrier or high prices to go there, or just simply live nearby and want to just experience a little bit of a different city life. This is the possibility to do so, full of shops and people actually. It's not completely filled up here, but I could imagine in a few days eventually this would be much bigger, and much more people are coming in here. For now, I think I enjoy the very warm 26 degrees Celsius here in this little recreation of a European town in Guangzhou, China. And the interesting part is it's not only a theme park here, you can live here, or at least for summer have like a bit of a vacation home. Here I'm going right now where the developer for this project here is, so you can find housing here, apartments and so on. So it's not just like tourism and just like a theme park, Western styled, European styled. This one here plans to have a community. Currently it is more Airbnb, but we have to see how it will look like in a few years when the houses are all built and sold and people furnish their homes, to see if it will be more of a vacation home, or really they can build here a big strong community. Let's see. And this region here surrounding the township or the little town and all the houses also features a nice little hotel on the top of a hill, and we are now here. You can see there, this is the main entrance there of this hotel. And you hear probably that there is some sports game for kids going on. So they are just playing there something. That's why there's a bit of music playing as well. It's a very nice little place to relax, sit in the sun at a little lake there, and it has even a greater view of the whole area when you walk a little bit further, just like this, and past this tree. We have a nice view on this whole area here. See how large this is here. Very nice looking indeed. So very great place if you want to take a vacation day here. You can stay at the top of the hotel. It's a bit more expensive, more exclusive, European style as well. And I'm not sure how many rooms they have there, but it is quite a few. There's a pool on top as well if you need them. And there is also a bus going down to the little town as well. Regularly, I think each half hour, it is possible to hop on the bus and just go down and then enjoying your interesting vacation here at the top of the hotel. So also a very nice kind of place to be here in Guangzhou. And hope you like this video. Bye.